Nades.
Wait, guys.
Fry, play kind of close to you. And,
Yeah.
I am. I'm gonna play K.
Bet.
If we don't see anything, we just wrap back right away.
Search and destroy.
Go bar.
Bottom bar,
nothing
fine.
green.
Bottom bar, bad.
I'm one shot. I'm healing. There's one
They're
close
top mid
to me.
right now.
Top mid.
Top mid's last.
He ran back. I'm just leaving.
Play numbers. Oh, okay, French. Never mind, bro. My bad.
Bro, I accidentally pulled out my Tac Max class and it just fucking helped me.
Did it work out for you?
Yes, it did. Yes, it did.
Search and destroy.
Good
So I
shit.
killed one bottom pool and then there was one double doors. And
Do any of you have
Nah,
dead silence?
No.
Bro, too fast.
Detonate the target to win.
We need to figure out where they play.
Bomb secure.
Get some info.
Kegs, front kegs. Like literally
We have
bottom
the
kegs.
device.
Somewhere.
Yeah, I hit him.
Not kegs anymore?
He ran top mid.
One's
They're
there,
top
top
mid.
mid.
Don't reach out. Yeah.
Keg.
1 minute left.
I think he might have went in A.
He's still kegs for chairs.
Yeah. Still kegs. I'm gonna nade it.
Barbecue players here.
I'm hitting barbecue.
Good shit, French. I like this, bro.
I got him stunned at K.
Oh, you
Oh,
go.
barbecue.
You should have hit to 10, I think.
We took the last
Yeah, I was gonna
round.
say hop
Be
up
ready
right
for the
there. But
next.
it's all good.
I didn't
I
know.
think the
doors
I don't
would be
think
open.
you.
I didn't know, bro.
No, I mean like I don't think you had time for the Deddy.
The daddy didn't run out. He just looked at me.
Switching
Didn't have a
sides.
gun now, unfortunate.
I thought you were gonna walk up the stairs and jump over.
Search and destroy.
Yep, that next round I'm gonna pull out a sniper and snipe that dude.
Okay.
At bottom.
All hunters, secure a perimeter
try to stun
around
him
the
again.
objectives.
Okay, you stun him. I'm just gonna sit back and pre-A.
Didn't hit him. Backing
Smoke satellite side?
Backing up.
I'm stunned.
Oh, you
Smoke
need
out.
to.
I got stunned.
Nothing B yet.
Our bottom mid. Push me with Daddy. Sitting in our bottom mid barbecue.
Last minute. Enemy bomb at Alpha.
He's in the double doors under barbecue. Did you get him?
Was that him?
Yeah. Was it the wolf guy?
Yeah.
All right, y'all work this together. Yep, that's Daddy.
Top mid.
Just you.
Last one's top mid.
Top mid, last one
It's
top mid.
planning for top mid.
Rounds activated.
You can see that?
We lost
Yeah,
the round.
not bad.
Stand by for the
Oh,
next
you're good.
one.
You're good.
He didn't know. It's all good.
I knew, man.
Got your legs sticking out, King.
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
Let's get it.
Fuck.
What the hell? What's that?
I don't know. I think
What?
it's.
Hunter 1.
Oh, how am I
Set
supposed to
charge on the
play,
target
bro?
and
My game is
detonate it.
glitched.
What
do you
the
We've secured the
fuck?
bomb.
Nigga, his whole screen covered in smoke, bro.
One barbecue right now?
I think you guys gonna have to
I
pick
think
up
he
this
hopped
bomb.
out.
It's technically 2v2 right now. This nigga cannot play, bro.
Yeah, you could bait me. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
look
just
at the
run
map.
around, come on.
He might have went keg lane.
You're gonna have to bait me. I can't see. I literally can't see.
What the fuck is this?
Fuck is that?
1
Where's he
minute
at?
left.
I was flanked. Bro, I said bait me.
I got him.
I can't see him.
I didn't. Oh, yeah.
Charge secured.
Oh, you had your combat night out.
In
A.
A.
I stunned it.
I stunned it too. I'm nading it.
Went to the
He ran
couch.
out.
He ran out. Our bottom one.
Oh my
Oh.
god,
Nice
bro.
drop shot. Nice drop shot.
Let's win another.
Shit. My bad. I couldn't
What
do
was
anything.
that?
I don't
Glitch,
know, bro.
What the fuck was that, bro? That was so dumb.
I caught that
Switching
dude
sides.
slipping with that sniper, boy.
I really hope it doesn't happen again.
Search and destroy.
Okay, it's not here. Thank
Back?
God.
Oh, good.
Do you
That
think I
was
can daddy down K?
Maybe.
I can
you
look over you. I can
can.
look over
Stun
you.
it.
Security
I'll
on
stun
the
it,
objective.
and then you can.
Look
I'll
over.
make noise.
I'm daddy
Yeah.
down outside of K.
Yeah, I'll make noise. I'll make noise.
They adjusted, so be careful. Could be pushing your bottom mid. Be
I
careful.
don't see anything right now.
Nah, I hear one top mid.
They see me. They see me. I'm running.
One
Nice,
satellite
I
side.
like that you right
Top
now.
mid, Jet.
One is satellite side right now.
Okay, one satellite,
I'ma
one
get to
bottom
y'all.
bar. Bottom bar side.
Oh, bottom mid. Bottom mid. Oh my God.
Last
That's
satellite,
bomb.
last one satellite.
Oh,
That's one satellite.
That's
Last
bomb
minute.
down that you killed.
really?
Yeah, bomb down right here outside of the door pool.
Alright, I'm linking up with y'all.
Play crossfire, baby. We go. Play crossfire.
You got the flank? I can sit here and watch bomb if you got my back.
What's your back?
Like stairs and shit, and through their back doors.
Through their back doors.
Yeah.
You just shot at me. It's on our side. It's on our side.
30 seconds left.
Go.
Won
Go.
that round.
That was a
Now do it
clean
again.
round. Good shit.
Dude, I snapped on that guy. You saw that?
Yeah, that was
I was
crazy.
right there for your trade though. I was about to fuck his ass up.
That's why I put all the sprint to fire attachments on my
sides.
gun, bro.
Also, why do you only have 4 in your valves?
Search and destroy.
Think I
Is
should
This
anything
guy
try
goes
else-
barbecue.
do it again? Think I
Okay,
should try
goes
to smoke this
barbecue.
dude again?
You could try sniping barbecue
Yeah.
All hunters,
want, yeah.
plant a charge on
Oh.
the
You don't
target
gotta.
and
You don't gotta
destroy
play
it.
up with me, Fridge, if you don't want to. I'll just play it slow.
We have the device.
Barbecue right now. Snipe him.
Yeah, he's there. He saw
I'm
me.
going.
I'm weak.
Let's wait for regen.
I'm in their top mid.
I like that. Good control. Good control. Show
do
the
we
peak
not
barbecue. Show the peak barbecue. Yeah.
He's still top barbecue on the
On
tent.
top of
the
tent. On top of the tent. Fridge.
1 minute
Nobody
left.
hit this up.
I'm looking.
He-
He nade him from there.
I hit him.
Yo,
He's
Eo,
weak.
got him, got him.
Good shit, bro.
I think one might
I
have
got
got
our
back
stalker.
from mid.
Got our stalker.
Nice stun check. I like that. Check it right corner. Oh, okay.
Could be in B bomb. I'm just waiting.
Oh, one's our back green.
We're planting.
Top barbecue weak.
One
Going
green,
towards
one
you.
Seconds remain.
On the tent right now,
green.
yep. Hit him out. Last
Last one
sniping.
green side. Last one green side.
Setting device on Alpha. Stand by. 10 seconds remaining. Device in place. Countdown started.
No.
Damn it.
Good try, bro.
I didn't hear this dude. This dude wrapped all the way around with Daddy.
You gotta assume somebody's gonna flank you though. That took a long time.
Yeah.
Like after you got the pick, you just need to play your life. You don't even gotta help me out anymore at that point. Unless you want to push up, but that's it. But if you're not pushing up, you don't gotta look over anything. Like after that play. Cause we did what we wanted to do, we got him B.
Right.
Maybe, I don't know what you were doing for
Our device was
afterwards.
disarmed.
I was holding the tin and barbecue.
Be ready
Well,
for
then-
next.
But then once he got picked, I had to
Switching
run
sides.
because I was exposed to top green.
Search
And
and
then he
destroy.
caught me.
I'm gonna try to hit this dude out satellite.
I was gonna say if you could play safer next time, just credit up. We would've.
I was very credity
All
until
hunters
he died
defend the
though.
objective.
Okay.
And then
You're gonna be by yourself bottom here. Yeah, be careful.
Top
hit the
mid.
satellite.
Top mid.
Stunning
he
the
at
doors open, bro.
satellite?
No, not satellite.
You stunned me.
They're barbecue or bar very weak.
I'm full flanking. Just keep making noise. There's one in a full flank. Dead?
Last minute.
Think they're coming for you? Or
Yeah.
they're still in bar, bro.
Top mid, they're top
Top mid,
mid.
top mid, top mid. Be careful
I'm
with
gonna
that play.
hit the
He's
10
on the
right
left. He's on the left side. He's
Left
like
side,
right.
top
He's
mid.
like
Left
right
side,
here.
top mid. Sharp left corner, top mid.
here. Keg right now, keg right now. Keg dead.
Is the top mid last?
Last one, top mid, yeah.
He's like right around
30
here on
seconds
this
left.
corner, like top left. I can't
What's
point
that?
at it.
What's that? That's probably the keg guy, maybe.
Nice.
That round's
Oh, that was
ours.
him?
Let's
Shit.
win
Yeah.
another.
Yes. Exact. Was he exactly where I called it?
No. I'm pre. He was in the stairs.
Oh, he moved. Yeah. Shit.
Switching sides.
4-3, baby, let's go.
Search and destroy.
Does anyone have the Eddie right here?
I'm about to get it in like 2 seconds.
Fry, do you want to
I'ma
grab
get
bomb and plant it, and then yip the Daddy's on keg
All
lane and I'll look
hunters
over him?
detonate the target to
Yeah.
win.
I'm gonna get it right now. I got
Bomb
it.
secure.
Barbecue again? Ooh! Alright. Fry's at A.
Everyone play numbers, don't give
One's
them.
an A.
Got him.
We won
Bro,
that
I'm
round.
clipping that.